I'm carrying out a familiarization tour, also meeting my officers, giving them my guidance and my strategy of what I expect to do during my course of leadership as Inspector General for the next 4 years. So also I'm getting briefs from the ground on the security challenges facing this region, so that I can also be better placed to give the necessary support and direction on the operations on the ground. My commanders are ready for the challenges. They have already mounted operations to address this issue. They have given me briefing which I'm very satisfied that will be able to address the security challenges on the ground. On my part, I have managed to get the challenges they will require me to support, and immediately back to Nairobi, I've dispatched an helicopter which actually I've just come using as I was coming here, which will be able to support the operations here.